All right, this is my Glock 34 Gen 5 MOS. So I've done some work to it. I machined the slide. Chamber's empty. So front serrations, windows, put some small serrations on the chamfer. Here's this side. Cut on the nose. Then I also replaced the stock MOS adapter plate. So that is a custom machined plate that I made. If you're familiar with the MOS system, there is a lot of slop in it. So I have another video showing how that works. Then I also stippled the frame. I was trying to go for a camo theme on the stippling. It turned out okay. I am not the world's best stippler by any means, but it does, feel pretty good. It's pretty grippy. I'm debating about going back over this area right here, that texture, and making it black. That was my original idea for this gun, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't know. I might just leave it. And I also, when I stippled it, I prefer to run the large back strap on the full-size Glocks. So I just went ahead and stippled it into the frame. So I'm pretty happy with how this guy turned out. I just got the parts back from Cerakote a couple nights ago. Got it back together. So I'm going to take it to the range and see if it works. All right, so I put 100 rounds of 115 grain range ammo through it. No issues or malfunctions. The only issue was I didn't have the light torqued down, so it slid around a little bit, scuffed up the rail. But other than that, it ran great. So it took a few rounds to get it zeroed in, but it was still pretty close from where I had it zeroed before I sent it off. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this thing.